Yo, what's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Had several people asking me about the 05 F-150, and I said it was out of town, and it is out of town. But I ended up going to that town. I came up here to my aunt's house. She's been borrowing it from my dad. My aunt that drives the beater Lexus, the ES350. She's been using this to move and haul some furniture, so she's had it for a couple of weeks. And I've had a couple of my regular guys, like I think Kyle and Fulton, maybe one or two other. Been curious about it, wanting to hear a drive, so let me get a key in here. Y'all know how I am with my shaky ass hands and keys. I mean, it's like I'm a fucking retard. There we go. Okay. Shut up. No climate control. Let's roll the window down. Let's get a cold start here. I'll just keep it on the dash. 176,000. Man, she runs so good. Such a good running truck. That old 5.4 Triton. I know a large percentage of them ended up being complete pieces of crap with the cam phaser situation, but if you get somebody that knows what they're doing and knows how to fix it right, you can turn it back into a reliable truck. And I think my dad's cam phaser repair is probably going on about, I'd say about 4 or 5 years old since he did it. No issues, man. He even had a new timing chain rolled into this thing too back then. Probably the only complaint about this little truck, this big ass truck today, is it does consume a little oil. You'll get a little, when it's cold, you'll see in the mirror a little bit of smoke come out the tailpipe. Just ever so little, but while driving, it doesn't smoke while you're driving. But it does consume a little bit of oil. I checked the oil a little while ago, and it was full to the top of the dipstick. Let's roll this window up. It's a little chilly outside. I mean, this truck feels, curb. This truck feels so freaking big, man. Gotta be bigger than a Chevrolet. Gotta be. Just feels like it is. I could make this truck my daily driver. I could. I really could. And I would enjoy it. This truck is going to be, it's up here at where I like to do my little 0 to 60 spot, which is unusual because this is not this truck's stomping grounds. This truck is an Atlanta or Marietta truck. It's not used to being up here in the North Georgia mountains. But we'll stop right up here and give us our little punch and go. Bet we'll get some wheel spin because the surface of the pavement is very wet. Bet we'll get some wheel spin. Hopefully. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. was fun. Got some good wheel spin. What in the hell is that sound? Jeez. Yeah, this baby, she's still got it, man. She's still got it. Still got the beans. Good old truck. Love it. What's your favorite truck? Say in the last, I don't know, 20 years. What's your favorite truck? No 90s or 80s or 70s. Let's just say since 2000. Was the Dodge Ram when it came out with the Hemi. That was a pretty big milestone. And of course, the Silverado that came out, you know, around 2000, 2001 with its Vortec 5.3s and 4.8s. Those were super trucks too. And then lots of Ford F-150s. Pop the hood. Why is this like impossible? Jeez, come on. I didn't pull the little release handle, did I? That would help. You know, that for starters. Yeah, that would help. Jeez. There she is in all her glory. She's a pretty smooth runner. Sounds good. She sounds good. Love this old truck. Heck yeah. Man, she sounds good. All right, Kyle. I hope that was what you were wanting to hear, man. That V8, baby. 5.4 Triton. You guys have a happy new year, man. Is anybody glad that it's 2021? We starting all over. We all probably gonna get a little check in our account. I bet we barely will. My wife, I don't make a ton of money, but my wife, she's borderline. I hope she gets a check. Anyway, y'all enjoy y'all's new year. Everybody eat some black-eyed peas and something green for good luck and all that fun stuff. And look forward to another year of YouTube. Y'all like, comment. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.